Get ready for an unparalleled flying experience with the 2025 new M88 Drone. This advanced quadcopter, designed for both beginners and intermediate pilots, combines an incredible 8K HD dual camera system with GPS positioning, optical flow hovering, brushless motors, and radar obstacle avoidance to deliver a truly professional aerial photography and fun flight experience. Whether you're capturing stunning visuals or enjoying agile maneuvers, the M88 is an excellent toy gift. Unmatched visuals with 8K HD dual cameras and electric adjustment. The M88 drone is equipped with an impressive 8K UHD, 4K UHD also supported, dual camera setup, promising incredibly sharp and detailed pictures and videos from the sky. What sets it apart is the electrically adjustable camera, which can be remotely controlled to adjust its angle up and down, giving you flexibility in framing your shots. The dual cameras also support free switching between horizontal, vertical, and precision views, providing versatile capture options. With built-in HD, the drone surprises with its ability to capture amazing pictures and videos, perfect for aerial photography enthusiasts. Intelligent flight and precise positioning. Experience remarkably stable flight thanks to the M88's advanced flight systems. It features optical flow positioning hovering for accurate indoor stability and a height-holding mode function for maintaining altitude effortlessly. For outdoor adventures, GPS positioning ensures precise location tracking, enabling features like automatic return and more accurate flight paths. Enhance safety with radar obstacle avoidance. Fly with greater confidence due to the M88's radar obstacle avoidance system. This intelligent feature helps the drone detect and avoid obstacles in its path, significantly reducing the risk of collisions and making it safer for new pilots and those flying in complex environments. Powerful performance with brushless motors. The M88 is powered by a brushless motor, which provides superior power, efficiency, and a longer lifespan compared to traditional brushed motors. Combined with a 6-axis gyroscope, the drone offers a more stable flight and precise control, even with an anti-wind ability of less than 10 km per hour. With a lightweight 119-gram drone weight and takeoff weight, it's highly agile. Extended range and flight time. The M88 boasts an impressive remote distance of 1,000 meters, allowing for extensive exploration and capture. It offers a solid flight time of 10 to 20 minutes on its 1,300 mAh lithium battery, which takes approximately 60 minutes to charge via a 3.7V USB cable. The controller is powered by 3 AAA batteries. Smart control and user-friendly features. This drone is packed with intelligent functions for an intuitive user experience. Wi-Fi FPV, connect to a dedicated application and APK system to transmit real-time images to your mobile phone for immersive viewing and easy photo or video capture. Headless mode, no need to adjust the position of the aircraft before flying, making it simpler for beginners. Trajectory flight, draw a flight path on your mobile screen, and the drone will autonomously follow the designated route. Gravity sensing, control the drone's movement by tilting your phone. 360-degree roll, perform exciting aerial acrobatics with ease. One-button takeoff and land, simplifies the most challenging parts of flying for beginners. Gesture shooting, capture photos and videos with simple hand gestures. 50x zoom, get closer to the action without physically moving the drone. Automatic shooting likely refers to programmed capture modes. Music, a unique feature, possibly for adding sound to videos or during flight. Emergency stop, provides immediate control in critical situations. 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology ensures a stable connection and allows multiple drones to fly without interference. It's suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The M88 drone is positioned as an exciting and feature-rich option for anyone looking to get into drone flying or upgrade to a model with advanced camera capabilities and intelligent flight assistance. Its combination of 8K cameras, GPS, and radar avoidance makes it a highly appealing choice for both fun and professional-looking content creation.